flood warning for Hamilton County in south central Illinois, White County in southeastern Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, until 4:30 a.m. Saturday. At 10:28 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Hamilton County going along Highway 140 County in southeastern Illinois is likely to across the warned area. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed producing heavy rain. Flash flooding is ongoing along Highway 142 in Hamilton County and is likely to develop soon elsewhere across the warned area. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Quality, Carrier Mills, Dahlgren, New Haven, Raleigh, Stone Ford, Omaha. Flooding include Harrisburg, Carmi, El Dorado, McLeansboro, Shawneetown, Grayville, North counties in Illinois, Crossville, Enfield, Equality, Carrier Mills, Dahlgren, New Haven, Raleigh, Stone Ford, Omaha, Mill Shoals, and Broughton. The National Weather Service has issued a flash issued until 4:30 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, and White.